Hello Merch Masterminds, it's Carter from Awkward Styles, and today I'm going to show you how you can add Awkward Styles as a production partner on Etsy. First off, from the Etsy website, head over to your shop manager. If you haven't already added a production partner when you started your store, you can do so by accessing your shop manager settings and clicking on production partners. Now, click on add a new production partner and fill out the form. You'll need to type out the production partner name, in this case Awkward Styles, location, Los Angeles, California, and in the About section, you can write a short paragraph that looks like this. Finally, in the section about your partnership, select the answers that best fit your business. Once you're done, simply click Save Partner, and you'll be able to use Awkward Styles as a production partner in all of your listings. However, we're not done yet. As in the case of Etsy, every time you upload a listing, you have to manually select Awkward Styles as your production partner. But now that we've saved Awkward Styles info in store settings, it will just take a couple of clicks. To do so, you'll first need to upload a product from Awkward Styles to your Etsy store. Once you've selected your template and uploaded your product, your listing will sync between Awkward Styles and your Etsy store. Once this part is done, head to your shop manager on Etsy and click on Listings. You'll see your new listing under Drafts, as there are still a couple of details we need to fill out before we can make this into an active listing. Click on your product to edit it. Once you're editing your listing, scroll down to Details. And under Core Details, click on Change. A window will pop up where you can change your core details. Make sure all the information here is correct, then scroll down and you'll see a section where you can add a production partner for your listing. Click to select your production partner and add a check on the Awkward Styles box. Once you're done, apply the changes. You've now successfully added Awkward Styles as your production partner. But before you can publish your listing, there's one final change that we need to do. In this same page, scroll down to Settings. Finally, you'll need to apply a return and exchange policy. Once this is done, you can now publish your listing and start generating sales. If you already have an existing active listing and you want to add Awkward Styles as your production partner, the process is the same. Simply click on your listing to edit it and scroll down to Details, where you can change your core details to add Awkward Styles as your production partner. Once you've applied these changes, click on Publish Changes and Awkward Styles will now be added as your production partner. And that's how you can add Awkward Styles as your production partner on all of your listings for Etsy. Now remember that for the moment, this is a manual process that you will need to do for each listing. But you're only a few clicks away from generating sales. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with Awkward Styles. Is there something that we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.